Hi students, and welcome to week 4 in your online lifespan growth and development course. Gosh, already week 4. We are a quarter of a way through this semester already. Happy February. It seemed like January went on for a year, so into a new month here. So this week we are in chapter 4. We are going to be in the same stage of the lifespan that we were in last week. So in last week we focused on really the body and mind part of infancy. And this week, we're going to stay in infancy, but focus on the social emotional piece of development during this stage. So let's take a look at your module for the week. So you will have your second journal, and I'll come back and talk about that in a little bit. And you will have a Connect assignment over chapter 4 on quality care indicators, and then your chapter 4 quiz. Okay, so both of these, I think you're getting familiar now, Live and Connect, but you'll link right here. So let's take a look at your journal number 2. Remember, you'll have 4 total journals throughout the semester that total up and become part of your lifespan project you're working on this semester. So I don't wait until the end and give you a big project for the semester. We're working on the pieces all the way through, and these journals are part of it. So here we find ourselves with you reflecting back over your early childhood years. Yes, we're in infancy this week, but guess where we're going next week? So I want you to start thinking about early childhood and your own experiences in early childhood, so that next week when we dive in, you're ready to go and you've had that reflection time already. So you did great on your journal number 1. Everybody followed the directions very well. There was a couple comments I made on some of you, so just kind of take note of those for this time around. But basically just, I'm not looking for a paper. I'm looking for an actual journal experience. So about a page, typed double space, and just make sure that you're answering all the questions that are part of this. So it's not a page on each question, total a page that answers these questions. Of course, as always with any assignment for me, you can write as much as you want to, but on a minimum, I think to fully answer these questions, you need about a page double spaced total for all of them, not for each one. Okay, so Connect assignment, quiz, and this journal for this week. You are doing a great job. Keep up the good work. Please let me know if I can be of any help. Take care, everybody.